Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Plus and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the home screen with your finger and then tap here to plus icon on the left hand far corner. After that you'll see here all of the available applications and widgets which we could add to your home screen. For example, let's tap here to the calendar application and we could see that we got here 6 different types of the widgets which we could add to our home screen. So just to add the widget, click here to add widget icon and now we could see that it's automatically added to our home screen. If you wanna move widgets on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. Also, we could create the new screens with the widgets. Just hold the widget and drag it to the new screen. If you wanna just edit the widget or edit the home screen, just hold it, tap to widget. Here we could change some options for the widget and just to change the home screen settings. You could also, by the same way, tap on it, and to remove it just by click on this minus or just by hold for a while the widget and tap to remove widget and confirm your action by tap to remove button. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.